Steve and Maggie. It's Steve and Maggie. Wow, English TV.
Oh, look! How many lettuces? How many can you see? How many lettuces? How many can you see?
2.
Let's pick the lettuces. I like lettuce, yeah. Let's pick the lettuces. Pick them all for me.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, hello, hi, hey. I'm hungry, so I'm making a salad. Oh, look, what's this? What is it? Yeah, it's a lettuce. Oh, I like lettuce, yeah. Do you like lettuce? Yeah? Okay, then say with me. I like lettuce. Come on. I like lettuce. Yeah, I like lettuce. Come on. I like lettuce.
Oh, delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Great.
Just lettuce? No, I need something more. Oh, I know. Cucumber. I like cucumber.
How many cucumbers? How many can you see? How many cucumbers? How many can you see?
2.
Let's pick the cucumbers. I like cucumbers. Let's pick the cucumbers. Pick them all for me.
Oh, Maggie, can you get me a cucumber, please?
Oh, hello. Hey, what does Steve want? A cucumber? Okay. Abracadabra!
Hey, thanks, Maggie. Oh, look, what is it? Yeah, it's a cucumber. Oh, yummy. I like cucumbers. Do you like cucumbers? Yeah, okay, say with me. I like cucumbers. I like cucumbers. I like cucumbers. Come on, I like cucumbers. Delicious. Let's chop it up and put it in the salad.
Yay! Oh, yummy, yummy.
Yeah, great. Oh, I like cucumber. Let's put it in the salad. Delicious. Yummy, yummy. But it still needs something more. Oh, I know. What about tomatoes? Yeah, a nice red tomato. Oh,
How many tomatoes? How many can you see? How many tomatoes? How many can you see?
6.
Let's pick the tomatoes. I like tomatoes. Let's pick the tomatoes. Pick them all for me.
Maggie,
What?
can you get me some tomatoes, please?
Oh, what does Steve want now? A tomato? Well, watch this! Abracadabra!
Hey, look, what is it? Yeah, it's a tomato. Oh, no, it isn't. It's an apple. Oh, I want a tomato. Oh, Maggie, can you please give me a nice, juicy red tomato?
Okay, abracadabra!
Please? Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, look, what is it? Yeah, it's a tomato. I like tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes? Yeah? And say with me, I like tomatoes. I like tomatoes. I like tomatoes. Come on, I like tomatoes. Delicious. Let's chop it up.
And put it in my salad. Delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Okay.
Let's finish with one more ingredient. How about, some carrots? Yeah!
How many carrots? How many can you see? How many carrots? How many can you see?
4.
Let's pick the carrots. I like carrots. Let's pick the carrots. Pick them all for me. Yum, yum.
Oh, Maggie, can I have some carrots, please?
No, I'm
Oh, please, Maggie, please. I want some carrots for my salad, please.
Okay. Abracadabra!
Oh, Maggie! Maggie, no! Oh, stop being so naughty and just please give me some carrots.
Okay,
Oh,
carrots.
hey,
Yeah.
great! Look, carrots! But I don't need so many. Just one is enough. Hey, so look, what is it? Yeah, it's a carrot. Oh, I like carrots. Do you like carrots? Yeah? Then say with me, I like carrots. I like carrots. I like carrots. Come on, I like carrots. Let's chop it up and put it in the salad.
Oh, great! I like carrots. Yum, yum, yum!
Now, let's mix everything together. The lettuce, the cucumber, the tomato, and the carrot. Oh, delicious. Let's try. It's okay, but it needs some mayonnaise. Yeah. Maggie, can I have some mayonnaise, please?
Oh, Steve, I'm busy.
Oh, Maggie, please, I want some mayonnaise.
No, Steve, not now.
Maggie, I want some mayonnaise for my salad.
Oh, abracadabra.
Maggie, where's my mayonnaise?
Look up.
Oh, Maggie! Oh, you naughty, naughty bird! Oh well. Bye-bye, boys and girls. See you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, Maggie!